Hi, I'm Christopher Hart, a cartoonist and author of many books in drawing and drawing anime also. And here is my newest one. It's called The Master Guide to Drawing Anime Expressions and Poses and Figure Drawing Essentials for the Aspiring Artist. Let's look at the back cover, see what we got. Here's a figure, a construction figure with a lot of clothing. And so what's that about? Well, a lot of people just draw the clothes, but this will show you how the construction of the torso dictates how the clothes fall. And there's a whole chapter on that. Give you some ideas so your drawings can look more authoritative. And let's flip through the book. I love flipping through a book. This is a brand new book. All right, start in the back here. So we have some fun scenes in school, by locker rooms, in the cafeteria, where the guy is eating inhuman amounts of lunch food. That's going to bother him later. Many steps to go along with it. A ton of steps to get there. And also, let's see. Oh, I forgot to show you one thing that's just so cool in the back here. We have the boy band figures on stage, how to draw that and make it look awesome. Step by step, very step by step. Let's go on further. We have different characters based on personality types or emotions or attitudes. He's a fashion follower, the rich teen, the warrior, a likable boy, kind of celestial being, very pretty type. We have some adventurous types. We have keys to drawing popular poses. So a regular movement can be a pose. It shouldn't just be something offhanded. Turn it into a pose. Walking, how to make the legs work. One slightly tucked in behind the front one in order to make it look like action. Here's a cute one here, this fantasy warrior outfit. This outfit is very appealing and it makes it look like an adventure character, at the same time stylish. I'll show you how to do that front and side. School characters. Fun scenes. This guy really, he's absolutely dragging behind and his partner here is just having a good time. So we have a whole lot of stuff here, emotions. Here's a nice stylish walk. Real upbeat character where the hips sway to one side, the shoulders sway to the other. It has an effect on the outfit, as we said in the beginning. And we have, of course, in the beginning, we have different ideas of how to draw just the figure, how to make it work, the proportions here. Proportions on a 3/4 view. Many other things. Great book to help you get started, to help you improve. The Master Guide to Drawing Anime Expressions and Poses. I hope you'll get your copy right away. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.